Hello friends, today we will discuss a new topic, that is boil temperature. Derivation of boil temperature. What is boil temperature? With knowledge of Amagat curve. What are Amagat curve? That one also we will discuss today. So what is boil temperature? Boil temperature, first we know that real gases do not obey Boyle's law, but at low pressure region, real gases also obeys Boyle's law at low pressure region. So boil temperature, it is defined as the temperature at which the real gas also obeys Boyle's law up to certain range of pressure at the low pressure region. To understand better, we have drawn here Amagat's curves. This was type 1 and this one type 2. This one type 1 Amagat curves for different gases at 0 degree centigrade temperature, and this one number 2 Amagat curves for carbon dioxide gas at different temperature. This one for ideal gases, we know that for ideal gases Z is equal to 1, compressibility factor equals to 1. For hydrogen, at the beginning Pv increases with P. That means for hydrogen and also for helium at 0 degree centigrade temperature is above their boil temperature. That's why Pv increases with increasing P at the beginning. But for other gases, Pv decreases. First decreases, then increases. For carbon dioxide gas, T3, that is Tb, so that means this curve up to this range of pressure obey ideal gas equation, but above T3 or below T3 do not obey the ideal gas equation. The mathematical condition for boil temperature is del Pp by del P at constant T equals to 0. That means Pv do not changes with pressure. Pv do not changes, means Pv is fixed. At the temperature, this temperature is called, at the temperature at which Pv is fixed or Pv do not changes with pressure, this temperature is called the boil temperature. For the derivation of boil temperature, first we write the real gases equation. We know the Van der Waals equation or real gas equation for 1 mole gas is P plus A by V square into V minus B equals to RT. This one real gas equation or Van der Waals equation for 1 mole gas. Next, P plus A by V square, we can write RT by V minus B, or P equals to RT by V minus B minus A by V square. Next, we will multiply this equation both side by V, or P into V equals to RT by V minus B minus A by V square into V. Multiplying this equation both side by V, we will get Pv equals to RTV by V minus B minus A by V. Next our aim is to get del Pv by del P at constant T equals to 0. So our aim is to get del Pv del P at constant T. So for this we will differentiate this equation by P. Del Pv del P at constant T equals to, we will get del P RTV by V minus B minus A by V at constant T Here differentiate with respect to p, but we will differentiate this equation with respect to v. Del v RT v by v minus b minus a by v at constant temperature into del p at constant t. Here we are differentiating with respect to p, but as we are differentiating with respect to v, so here del v will be cancelled out. So if we differentiate with respect to v, we have to write here del p at constant t. Next, if we differentiate this equation, we will get RT by v minus b minus RTV by v minus b square plus a by v square into del p at constant t. Next, v minus b square, so here it will be equal to RT into v minus b minus RTV plus a by v square into del p at constant t. So this one will be equals to v minus b square RTV minus RTB minus RTV plus a by v square into del p at constant t. Here RTV will be cancelled out, so the equation becomes minus RTV by v minus b square plus a by v square into del p at constant t. Next, when t equals to tb, del pv by del p at constant t equals to 0. So we can write minus RTB by v minus b square plus a by v square, or here in place of t we write TB, boil temperature, equals to 0. This is the mathematical condition for boil temperature. RTB del PB by del P at constant t equals to 0. This is the mathematical condition. Or we can write minus RTB b by v minus b square equals to minus a by v square, minus cancelled out, or TB equals to a by RB into v minus b by v square. Next, our condition is that at low pressure region, so at low pressure region where pressure is very small, P tends to 0, V is high, V is very high. At low pressure region where pressure is tends to 0, V is very high. In the definition of boil temperature, it is given that at the low pressure region, the gases which obeys the Boyle's law. So P tends to 0, V is high, or we can write V minus V approximately equals to V. As V is very high, V minus V will be tends to 1, V minus V will be equals to V, or we can write this one TB equals to A by RT into V by V square. So V by V will be cancelled out, that is will be equals to 1. We will get TB equals to sorry, this one will be A by RB. So TB will be equals to A by RB. This is the expression of boil temperature. So boil temperature expression is TB equals to A by RB. We have to remember this equation and we will calculate boil temperature or mathematical numerical problem may come from here. So the expression of boil temperature is TB equals to A by RB. Next, a problem is given related to boil temperature. Calculate the boil temperature of nitrogen gas given A and B. A equal to 1.4 atmosphere liter square mole to the power minus 2 and B equal to 0.04 liter mole inverse. So for the calculation we will use the expression boil temperature, that is TB equals to A by RB. Now here A is equal to 1.4 atmosphere liter square mole to the power minus 2. A will put R, that is we know in atmosphere liter 0.082 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse, and B value 0.04 liter mole inverse. A 1.4 atmosphere liter square mole to the power, this is given. R, that is equal to 0.082 liter atmosphere mole inverse Kelvin inverse, and B given 0.04 liter mole inverse. Now here we can find that atmosphere will be cancelled out. Liter square will be cancelled out. Mole inverse here mole minus 2 will be cancelled out. So this will be equal to 1.4 by 0.082 into 0.04 and Kelvin. So TB, that is temperature, and unit is also coming Kelvin. That means we are correct. So this is becomes 1.4 0.082 into 0.04. So here we write this is 10 to the power 3, this one 10, this one 10 to the power 2 Kelvin. So this will be equal to 14 by 82 into 4 into 10 to the power 4 Kelvin, and the result will be equals to 427 Kelvin. So TB will be equals to 427 Kelvin. So today we have discussed boil temperature, derivation of boil temperature, and numerical problem of boil temperature with knowledge of Avogadro's garbage. If you like my video, please like the video and share it, and if you want to know more you can comment also. Thank you.